Nginibingelele webahlobo nginamukele kuyona ke i-channel igama unqoba Dlamini ke nazi ke eza namhlanje ke umholi we-EFF umnomzana ke Julius Malema usexwayise ngokuthi ke lukhulu liyeza kuleli emasontweni ke azayo njengoba ke kuzoba mnyama bhuqe ezweni ngenxa yokucinywa ke kukagesi. UMalema uthe kumele uhulumeni ke azehlise ke ulande ke abantu abafana ke naye ke nalowa umphathi ke wakhona ka Eskom umnomzane Brian Molefe ukuze ke azolungisa ke isimo sagesi ke nganza kwethu ke ngicela nimlalele ke ukuthi ke ukhulume ke kanjani ke lapha yana ke kuyona ke i-media conference yayo ke i-EFF la khona ke khulume nangawo ke ugesi njengoba ke sesishilo nansi ke i-video iyalandela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe nokucomment. Thank you.
No one will go to work. The dead will have to be buried the same day because there will not be fridges to keep them. No generator is meant to operate 24 hours. Generator is an intervention for a short while. Even those who have generators will not be saved from the mess we are going into. We warned you. We went to the streets because we knew this was coming. History will absolve us. We were called names, were ridiculed, were insulted. Police and the army were called on us for trying to protect us from where we are. They are just calling it stage 10 for nice word. The reality is that it's darkness. And it's not going to be darkness of 12 hours or 24 hours, it comes back. No. At times it's going to take 3 to 4 days. At times